Factory Motor Parts has the strongest battery offering in the industry. Our brands include FBP, AC Delco, Motorcraft, and Odyssey. We have a battery type and price point to fit your needs, guaranteed. Our FVP brand is the ideal choice for automobiles, SUVs, and light trucks. For automotive batteries, FVP offers Platinum, Platinum AGM, and the Voltage series. FVP's Platinum Automotive series will start vehicles in extreme weather conditions and run multiple power-hungry accessories without compromising performance. They are designed with maximum reserve capacity in mind. FVP's Platinum AGM is for more power-hungry applications. Vehicles with start-stop technology use the FVP Platinum AGM to handle the harshest, most demanding applications. The AGM technology minimizes electric resistance for outstanding cranking power. It has 30% more starting power than a typical lead-acid battery. And the FVP Voltage series is our long-standing battery line with similar core technology as the Platinum series. Each FVP automotive battery is not only backed by an attractive standard warranty, but it also has an optional supplemental 5-year warranty. And along with automotive batteries, FVP also offers Voltage Marine and RV batteries, golf cart and electronic batteries, heavy-duty commercial batteries, and lawn and garden batteries. Plus, FVP Power Sport batteries come in Platinum AGM, Voltage AGM, and Voltage series. Our next line is AC Delco. Whether the application is automotive, industrial, marine, or recreational, AC Delco has a battery to fit your performance needs. We offer the AC Delco Professional Series with gold, silver, and AGM. These batteries are laboratory tested, field proven, and backed by GM with outstanding limited warranty coverage. Now let's move on to Motorcraft. Motorcraft is recommended by Ford Motor Company. Their battery products cover automotive, marine, commercial, farm, and industrial specialty applications. They offer a 36-month, 3-year free replacement period and an excellent limited warranty coverage. This battery lineup sets Factory Motor Parts ahead of the rest. We offer the best brands, best service, and best programs. We supply your success. For more information, contact an FMP sales representative today or visit factorymotorparts.com.